Today's featured car is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2019, where it bid to $41,000 but did not sell. And it was a good looking car. Looked like it was restored. Did not have any seller comments, so did not know which version of the 327 V8 engine it had and what options it had or anything. I did notice it is a 4-speed and it's bright red, so it's a good looker, that's for sure. But other than that, didn't know anything about it. That might have hurt it as far as the selling price as well. But as far as the 64 Corvettes went, Chevy built 22,229 of them in 1964. 13,925 were convertibles, like this guy, and only 8,304 were the coupes. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible, filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $41,000, but did not sell. And like I said, I didn't know the mileage or what engine it was. Just know that it was a 327 V8 with a 4-speed. But anyway, that's today's featured car, a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.